forward to being with us this morning, but he woke up not feeling well. He called me this morning and told me because of his age, he would prefer to see a doctor first. I also received a very moving apology from the Honorable Retired Chief Justice Chunga. He was touched that we remembered him, and he would have liked to come, but he had traveled out of Nairobi. I recognize all the retired Chief Justices. I honor you, all of you, Justice Visram, Justice Lady Justice Arwoch, Lady Justice Efeo War, Lady Justice Angawa, Lady Justice Richard Kwach. You held our hand, you encouraged us, you launched our book, you even referred to yourself as an honorary woman. And when we came to court and we were struggling with my rende and my rond, you told us to refer to you as your ladyship. That really encouraged us. And in the House, we have the Honorable Mr. Justice David Maraga, the latest retirees. You all look very good, and I wish you, my Lord, to come here and tell us how it is to be in retirement. You make me envious of all of you because you are looking awesome. I'm wondering whether I should just opt into retirement. Please come and tell us something, Honorable Chief Justice Emeritus.
Thank you, Honorable Chief Justice, for this opportunity. I didn't expect it to be called to say anything. The Honorable Chief Justice of the Republic of Kenya, Justice Martha Koome, and all protocols observed, good afternoon. This is a great day. A great day, as very many other speakers have said, that we now have the first Chief Justice, a lady in Kenya. Just War said it all, how excited the ladies are. But I know it as a fact, Justice Koome, that God gave us gifts. There are some gifts women have that men don't have. And the others men have that women don't have. One I know about, and I've said that over and over again, is that the ladies are able to multitask more than women. Let us accept that fact because it is there. Lady Justice Koome, you and I have come a long way. I know you. You have served this country in very many capacities. This is now an opportunity for you to serve as the Chief Justice. One thing I'll tell you is that you go to a very demanding office, extremely demanding. But you are up to it. And as I said, I know you, you are a prayerful woman. When you pray, you will get things sorted out. The Deputy Chief Justice and all the other churches are pledged to support you. Council are pledged to support you. So there is really no worry whatsoever. You will be able to deliver. All you need to do is to cooperate with them, and you will deliver. One great important thing, Chief Justice, please keep reminding all of us, everybody, that constitutional power is constrained power, so that everybody keeps to his or her lane. We have a wonderful country. When you speak to foreigners, and sometimes they see the kind of things we do, they just marvel and see, look, I mean, how can you do this? You have a great nation, a great, great nation. Let us give Justice Koome the support she requires, and let us all do our part, and we will move forward as a nation. Mine is to congratulate you heartily and wish you all the best. I have already called you before. I've sent you messages. I want to wish you all the best. I saw your family here. I saw your beloved husband, and I'm sure everybody will give you all the support that you require. May God bless you as you serve this great nation. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Chief Justice. We will continue to work together because this country is big enough for all of us. We also have very many distinguished friends of ours who came, and they came on very short notice.